the great outdoors, forever free.
We're riding out a huge storm. I was just getting ready to film and show this cool new oasis thing that we had done. And the storm just got really bad. So we're trying to just ride it out right now. We lowered the shade tent because this is just a, you know, Walmart shade tent. They're not very strong. A pop-up, you know, one of those instant ones. We're hoping we won't have to take it all the way down, that just lowering it to half mast will be enough. What do you think, Foxy? It sounds like it's getting rough out there.
We got about high 20s, maybe 30 mile an hour wind is about what the airport is locally showing us. And this thing keeps flattening out. Its base is all flat. I'm worried about that center pole just snapping and shattering. And then that whole tent will probably just go flat. We opened all the windows to let the air flow through. The other problem I'm having is this is supposed to be on this little key, and it keeps jumping out. So I've kind of twisted this around the leg, tried to trap it into these, but it's still jumping around, doing all kinds of crazy stuff. It's just looking flat as a pancake, man. It's got me freaked out. Now this is your typical pop-up Walmart special Ozark Trail. It says if it gets windy, take it all the way down. We dropped it to half mast. These two weak sides were kind of buckling inward, so I propped them up for the time being and secured it down with rope at half mast. And it seems to be holding pretty good. It's got about a 25% chance of rain. It's been getting a little bit darker as the day goes on. Looks like you might get some after all. I was hoping not. It seems to be weathering the storm a lot better than the other equipment that we have. And it's all self-supported. There's no guylines that extend past the tent itself. But again, I'm really impressed with this other Ozark Trail. And the wind just seems to blow right over it because it's got a nice lines to it, you know. It's kind of windswept.
Uh-oh, Foxy. You better get Mr. Bill and batten down the hatches. Foxy's just gonna be safe underneath Mommy's chair. Okay, so here we are. This storm is just crazy. There they are in the tent, it's all crazy. Ah! Here's the tent trying to get me. And there's the storm that's coming at us. We got black flood warnings. This is all just so dramatic. I guess stay tuned and see if we blow away.
Yeah, I just heard something break.
Yeah, me too. Well, I don't know if I was there, if it would have helped. This storm's over, but Foxy's still not coming out from under the chair. He's trying to fix the broken pole. We started by loosening it up, pulling it down, and the first thing he's doing is wrapping tape, putting it back together and wrapping duct tape around and around it. Okay, so he's almost done. We took one of the plastic knives from the dish set we have, and he taped it as a splint. Now we're trying to see if he can put it back together again. We're about to find out. It's either gonna work or not work. Aw, look at the heart in the sky. The universe is sorry for what it did to us. Be like the universe. Drop us a heart, a like, a comment, and subscribe. Thanks.
Thanks for watching. Now get out this weekend, stay safe, and have fun.